Overhead welding is one of the most demanding positions in welding and one of the fastest growing applications. Surprisingly, many welding helmet manufacturers have not stepped up to the challenge of designing a helmet that meets the demands of this application. Helmet shells that lack the aerodynamic design that keeps spatter and metal from sitting on the shell are helmets that are designed to fail. Hot metal and spatter that sits on a flat-face designed helmet allow for this material to stay on the helmet shell, consequently causing damage to the shell, the cover plate and potentially the ADF filter. Please note that most welding helmet manufacturers will not warranty ADF filters that are damaged due to welding spatter. The optrel expert lines of helmets are designed not to fail. The aerodynamic design of our helmet shell, combined with the patented spherical cover lens, keeps welding spatter and other damaging material from immediately causing damage to the shell and the ADF filter. For the past 25 years, Optrel has designed and manufactured welding helmets that meet the demand of the professional welder. While some helmets focus on price, we focus on providing a product that protects you and your investment in high-end welding protection. For the demanding task of overhead welding, Optrel is the brand that you can trust. Our entire line of E-Series helmets provides unsurpassed performance that put them in a class of our own for meeting the demands of overhead welding.